quick video just together, breaking down the charts for you guys on this upcoming week. Now, today is Sunday, the July 18th, and we're going into a new trading week. We got 5 trading days within this week. So, individually, we're going to go through it and show you guys how we go about our trading week, how we do things and whatnot. So, I'm going to let my guy Nate Dogg, take the floor and kind of show us how he do things and whatnot.
Yeah, so this is just going to be a quick breakdown of what we potentially see that can happen this week. We always start with a top-down analysis. That way we have our bias going into the week and we know what to expect going forward. So if we pull up the charts here, I start out on a daily just to give you a quick synopsis of what's going on here. As you can see, Friday was a massive day to the downside where they cleared sell stops on the lower level here. What I would be expecting going forward this week is for them to maybe tap this opening price I have marked right here from the beginning of July, July 1st. This level is, let's see, 34,650. We could potentially come down here and tap this level, and I'm going to be expecting to bounce back up. So let's just see if we do get a trade like this to play out, how many pips this could be. Let's say they come down to opening price and we bounce back up. This could be a potential swing trade for about 500 points where they surpass and go into the all-time high. So that's a lot of money that could be made this week. Make sure y'all stay tuned.
All right, so I'm gonna break down the NASDAQ since he broke down the US 30, and it's crazy because you've been actually reading up the NASDAQ. I didn't think I'm paying attention. I'm seeing that. I've been NASDAQ is nice though, no lie. Especially what we know the little secret behind everything. If one trade, you can do the other one. So sometimes that works out perfectly. So I've been catching me some trades like that with the NASDAQ. This as y'all can see this past week. So let me go ahead and break this down for you guys real quick. Take off the sessions real quick, and then let's go monthly time frame. Always want to go top down, like he said before, especially if you're starting off as a beginner or whatnot. We want to see the overall trend is up. We are bullish buyers. All right. Now we want to get into the action. Now we want to actually make some money. So now we drop down and zoom into the action. And as you guys can see, we're starting to see more of the market, buyers and sellers. So we're starting to see the market go up, but it come back down. And that's what we want to see. We want to see the opportunities where us investors can get in at a great price so we can make some money. So daily time frame, every candlestick represents one day. And what we start to see is patterns. Patterns start to pop up as we go into the time frames. And like I said before, this is our moneymaker. So we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, drop down to the hour time frame, right? But then we drop down to the 30-minute and then the 15-minute time frame, because 15-minute on end is time. It's game time. It's Mamba mentality time. It's time to get down and dirty, right, Nate? Sure. So that's when we actually ready to trade. So if I put the sessions on here, this will give me the 3/4 of when I should be trading. When is my most profitable times and opportunities to make money? And if I go back and show you guys a few trades that we caught, which was this double bottom right here. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. This double bottom right here, we actually caught this to the downside. Let's see, where is it real quick? Let me put the bar replay on real quick. So looking at this Asian session, going into the London session, you can probably see a pattern form here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but with experience and time, I would say, and they can even attest, your eyes will begin to see these things. We can probably see a, W pattern pop out of this, right? So I'm already foreseeing that, even though it has already played out. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an idea of what things can be like. So if I press play, you got to have patience in this, as you can see, because it's not going to play out right away. So there's one candle, two candles, they come back down, sellers, right? And as you guys can see, it takes a while. The trade didn't take off right away. We have to be patient. But what we're looking for is that W pattern to pop out. And these are opportunities that makes us, a lot of money and give us an opportunity to make money. And this is on a 15-minute time frame. And I would be probably targeting the previous highs over here to my left, get into this trade. So once that trade hit that 15,000 level, I'm going to close out this trade. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm going to just take the money and go.
Secure the bag.
Exactly. And that's what we want to do. So this is in one day. This is a good 45 or so minutes, and you would have made money, been gone. So just kind of break down a little setup for you guys, not just, what's going into this week, but just a little setup for you guys. And as you guys can see how the market reacts when it comes up to that level. And we go behind the scenes on, what to do and why the market react to these levels behind the scenes. And that's why you guys want to go ahead and get some 120 Academy, of course. Nice little double top. You know what I'm saying? Killer.
Massive move.
Crazy, man. So
textbook setup right there.
Yeah, it is. So look, watch this. You can even zoom in. You can even zoom in right here, right? Watch this. You can even zoom in, take that little part right there and get more deep into the action, see what's really happening right there. So I can now really see what went down. And as you guys can see, it was a W pattern, which was a fake out, and they smacked us with a double top M pattern. So that right there is sniper entry right there. But yeah, I'll actually do you guys I'll give you extra bonus real quick before we jump off. I'm gonna actually break down one of my favorites right here. Good old British pound. Can't go wrong with the British pound. Yeah, this one I was calling out, and I'm expecting this it's gonna be a big ass W pattern that pop up on this motherfucker. No lie, like you could already see it. So that's the W pattern to our left, the smaller one, but the bigger structure is gonna eventually pan out to being a W pattern over here as well, because the market will repeat itself. And as you guys can see, we're starting to create that formation once again. And with patience, the market will eventually skyrocket back up and buyers will take control over this, looking at it from a daily perspective. And then, that right there is a great opportunity on its own. But if you even zoom in, it's going to show you a better entry to get in on that move I just talked about. So that's pretty much all I got. Unless my guy Nate Dogg want to, say any closing words, anything.
I like that trade setup on the pound. That could be another massive move. As you can see, at top side liquidity at
42,000.
42,000. A lot of money to be made, so definitely want to keep my eye on this one.
Yeah, buying low for sure. See that fibs on there from the previous low to the high up there to the 42,000. They almost said, well, we are tapping the 88, 60%. So they're definitely going to surpass that and go to the 100%. So I'll be buying it from there, honestly, if they don't break any of those lows. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick, I don't even know what to call it, a little quick chart breakdown with my guy Nate Dogg. Yeah, man, it's wraps.